Hello. I want to talk about the two fullnesses today. Purnamida, Purnamidam. This is full, and that is full. Maharishi teaches there are two fullnesses of life. The fullness of this relative created world that we live in, our universe, and the fullness of that, the divine unity, divine being of the absolute field, yourself. This is full, and that is full. The world we live in is a field of diversity, of many pairs of opposites, of a full range of every experience there could be. It is a world that is bounded by space, time, and causation. A world that is ever-changing. And a world that has beginnings and endings. The uncreated, unbounded, never-changing, unmanifest self, divine being, is what underlies this great world of diversity. To truly experience the fullness of this, you must experience the fullness of that, of divine being, of yourself. When you transcend in your meditation practice, you experience yourself. And those subjective experiences of peacefulness and contentment and abundance come out into the relative field and are experienced when you experience the relative field, as your mind and physiology transform with the frequent experiencing of divine being, the fullness of that. Maharishi teaches you should live 200% of life, 100% of the relative, and 100% of the absolute, yourself. By bringing those experiences of self into this relative world, you will be living 200% of fullness. Establish yourself in yourself, in divine being, with repeated transcending in your meditation practice. And then you are holding the two states of consciousness at the same time. The fullness of that, yourself, along with the fullness of this, consciousness of the relative plane of life, waking, sleeping, or dreaming. Live 200% of life. Do your practices, and it will be accomplished. Thank you, beloved Guru. All glory be to thee.